All right, good day, everyone. Welcome to tonight's Infinite Product Training. We have truly exceptional session ahead of us, no? So, simulan na natin. Bago ang lahat, pakilala lang ako. I'm Arthur Macogay Jr. Isa po ako sa mga makakatulong po sa inyo sa negosyo natin sa Infinite, and this is a recorded video para ho mas mabalik-balikan natin. I-upload ko po to sa YouTube para ho mas mabalikan natin, masend nyo po sa mga members nyo po at mga upcoming future wholesalers and Infinite product users natin. No? So I will be the one, and I'm honored to introduce to you our speaker. Our training for tonight will be led by someone who perfectly embodies the synergy of clinical science, business acumen, and aesthetic mastery. She is a Philippine registered nurse, an internationally certified SPMU artist, no? Yan yung semi-permanent makeup artist, and the visionary owner of Element Spa, Aesthetic and Wellness Hub, as well as Guiltless Gastronomy. She isn't busy when she isn't busy running her business. She maintains her active lifestyle through yoga, golf, and pickleball. Yung mga mahilig mag-golf at pickleball dito, pwede nyo tong i-invite, no? But most importantly tonight, okay, she is a product of her own product. As a proud user of Infinite products, her belief in our brand has translated into massive success. She is a six-digit earner and prestigious executive Ruby Infinite ambassador. To share her invaluable knowledge for tonight, pwede kayong mag-virtual palakpak, no? Please give a warm virtual welcome to our esteemed speaker for tonight, Miss Maria Cristina Lina. Palakpakan naman po natin. Yan. All right.
Hi, everyone. Thank you, JMart, for that intro. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for taking time to join us tonight to listen to our Infinite Product presentation. So, maraming salamat sa pag-attend. And my name is Maria Cristina Lina, as JMart has stated. I am a business owner here in Lipa since 2013. So, yun, I understand na yung ibang attendees natin ngayon are already a business partner, but some are very new to the products. Kumbaga, very new pa sa they're not yet informed about yung mga products na ng Infinite. So, that's why I'm excited to share my knowledge about it. And hopefully, I really hope na maging useful ito sa inyo. So, I understand na meron din sa guest natin dito na who also has some inputs that you would like to share later on. Siguro pagkatapos na ng presentation, you are very much welcome to do so. And also, if you have any questions, we will tackle that after the presentation. So, GMR, let's start. Okay, so Infinite product presentation. Let's start with wait, nasa na ba? GM, wala akong sa slide number. So this is
Ayan, kita?
nakikita niyo po ba?
Oh, kita yung slide. Yes.
Yan, okay.
Pa-type
So
1 if kita yung slide, guys. Yan.
malinaw naman po, medyo malabo ata. So GM, sa slide number 3 na tayo. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And so these are the Infinite products in collaboration with the products as well. Pero hindi pa to updated, meron pa tayong latest, yung Olamo, diba?
Yeah.
So yan. These are the Infinite products that we have right now, plus the latest one, which is the Olamo skincare set. So yan, 17 products and all. So everyone, we are proud to say that we are a part of KCCP, ECCP, at saka yung iba pang mga organizations na affiliated sa when it comes to beauty products. So that's very important kasi what we offer sa clients natin or sa ating mga prospects is yung kumbaga yung importance nito na meron tayong membership or we are part of this affiliations, we are accredited. It's because ito yung binibigay nating produkto ay high quality. It passed so many certifications. Okay. So skin. Everyone has skin. Lahat tayo, meron tayong, and dapat nating alagaan ito. So according to Skin Guru Ling Chan, our skin looks like roof shingles with opening on the lower part. That's the reason why whenever we apply products or skincare routine, laging pataas. Di ba? Kaya kita ninyo, parang since the gravity, ang gravity kasi as we age, kumbaga napupull down niya yung skin natin. That's the reason why whenever we apply products, we need to apply it towards paakyat, pataas. So yeah. And how it works, it brings the customers on a journey of five senses strategy. Whenever we present something sa ating mga clients, we need to make them see yung user senses. Kumbaga, i-explain natin verbally, we talk about it as we apply it, as we demonstrate kung paano yung bawat produkto. We use our hands, okay? Kumbaga, para makita ng ating clients or ating mga guests kung paano yung effect ng produkto sa kanilang skin. So they can outright experience it for themselves. So, papaamoy natin. So, that's important. So that they can see and smell. And also, wag lang natin palasahan. Pero, importante yon na makita nila, mahawakan nila, at maamoy nila. Kasi, makikita nila how very gentle siya in comparison to other products in the market. So, okay. Routine guide. Okay. Point 1. This one is the basic skincare regimen. For the first one that we need to do, of course, is to cleanse our face first. Kailangan malinis muna ang mukha bago tayo maglagay ng any products. So we need to cleanse first, and then GM do sa slide number 9. Yeah, then the toner. After that, the serum, moisturizer, and sunscreen. So yun yung pagkakasunod-sunod. Hindi natin pwedeng unahin yung moisturizer and then saka ang toner. So that's very important. We start first dun sa pinaka thin. Kumbaga yung molecular weight niya is very small. Thinner to thickest. So that's how it works. And then slide number 10, GM. So this is these products that you can see in your screen. We have the Infinite Glow Up Soap, Infinite Dew White Soap, and yan yung Vida Cleanser. All of these are, syempre, sabon, alam na pamilyar naman tayo sa paggamit nito. So what we need to do is to lather it before applying it. Hindi natin to ina-apply directly sa ating katawan. We need to lather it first para ma-mellow down niya yung content, para mas maganda yung pag-spread as well. So it's advisable not to put it directly, to apply it directly on our skin. So similar with the Vida Dew Cleanser. We need to use it. We need to lather it first before applying it and before using it. So slide number 11, please. The toner. So this is a second step after the cleanser. Toner naman, it prepares our skin para naman ma-hydrate na siya. To prepare it para sa susunod na skincare step, which is the ampule. So, okay. These are the products naman in our screen. We also have these, but these are Philippine made, yung Infinite Glow tsaka Infinite Botox. In comparison sa Vida product na Korean made yun. So these are Philippine made, Infinite Glow Serum and Infinite Botox. Those are serums that can help our skin to that's for anti-aging, para ma-lift yung ating skin, matanggal yung mga pigmentations. These are what we need kapag gusto natin yung i-target yung ganong concern. So, and then after that, we also have the Infinite White lotion na meron din tong SPF 30. So meron tong glutathione that can help our skin to glow and it has antioxidant to protect our skin from free radicals. The glutathione content of the lotion, magagamit natin to sa daily use natin, sa daily wearing. Kasi nga, ano siya, nag-glow, nagbibigay ng glow sa skin natin instantly. So, that's it. And next, ano natin? Ito, Infinite Glow. Infinite Dio White Soap. Ano naman ang content nito? Meron tong tea tree extract that's antibacterial, antimicrobial, antifungal yon. So if you have any skincare problems like eczema, meron kayong rashes or meron kayong wound, it can help with the healing. At saka para din sa inflammation at to protect the skin from bacteria. So if you're sporty, kapag meron kayong mga alam niyong mapapawisan kayo, especially in summer, this is advisable na magamit ninyo. Kasi maganda yung effect niya sa skin, kumbaga when it comes to the odor control. And we can also use it as an alternative feminine wash in a way na hindi naman natin siya matagal na ibababad kasi syempre may tea tree oil siya, pero it can remove odor from the body. It helps in treating oily skin and acne, has an anti-inflammatory properties, and it suits the redness, as well as the antifungal properties nito na nakakatulong to heal our skin. So, yun nga, sa wound healing, maganda ito na gamitin. Next one, please. The Infinite Glow Up Soap naman, that has kojic acid, niacinamide, and arbutin, those are antioxidants. The kojic acid can help our skin to brighten up. So yung merong pigmentations, merong age spots. This is the ideal soap to help our skin to glow up and to remove, kumbaga ma-lessen yung mga pigmentations natin. Siyempre, yung sun damage, yun, importante yun. Importante itong soap na to if you want to brighten up your skin. Okay, it has niacinamide, those are vitamin B3 that strengthen the barriers of our skin. Okay. It helps brighten our skin tone, it helps reduce skin pigmentation, and helps deliver antioxidant protection. Siyempre, nandyan din yung radiance and glow na binibigay nito sa skin natin after using it for consistently. Okay, how to use it? We need to wet our hands first and lather up the soap. Get the bubbles and apply it to the skin. Pero wag natin tong iwanan ng more than 20 seconds kasi syempre meron pa rin siyang powerful ingredients that could irritate our skin kapag matagal na nababad. So it can be used both sa face at saka sa katawan natin. Oh, let's go to the Infinite Vida Dew Cleanser that has a hyaluronic acid and panthenol. Hyaluronic acid is for hydration. So this cleanser has that. So it's also for all skin types. So Dew Cleanser's fine bubble system removes excess sebum and other residues within the pores, leaving skin feeling refreshed and comfortable, yet not drying, with powerful hydrating and calming properties. This is the starter. Kumbaga, ito yung kauna-unahang gagamitin sa Vida set. Benefits niya is to help in hydration and calming of face. No tight sensation after washing. It is moist, mild mini bubble that deeply cleanses impurities. Tinatanggal niya yung clog sa pores natin. And it makes our skin ready to receive the toner, which is the next product that we need to apply. So how to use it? We need to wet our hands and lather up the soap, get the bubbles and apply to the skin, pero wag ulit natin siyang iiwanan ng matagal na matagal. It can also be used sa face at saka sa body natin. At syempre, wag natin kakalimutan yung leeg na parte, especially yung nape nape area. Kasi syempre, minsan nakakalimutan na yung area na yun. So, next please, next slide please. The Infinite Vida Toner is the second step sa Vida skincare set natin. It has niacinamide, adenosine, Madeca complex, and 10 types of hyaluronic acid. Sa sobrang daming hyaluronic acid nitong content, iba't ibang sizes yun. That's the reason why it penetrates in the deepest layer of our skin. Kaya instantly, magkakaroon kagad ng lifting effect because of that. So Hydrating Vitality Complete Hydration Hyaluronic Acid Enriched, ito yung mga content niya. For all skin types, whitening, anti-wrinkle, dual function, tapos may lotus soothing toner din siya. This one has AHA and BHA, pero hindi siya ganun ka-harsh. Kaya even if you apply it sa part ng area ng mata ninyo, wala siyang fume na medyo nakakasilam kasi na-mellow down siya, na-dilute siya ng lotus water. So even if it has a micro-peeling effect, hindi siya ganun ka-harsh compared to acid. Kumbaga yung chemicals na masyadong matapang or yung may peeling effect na matapang. So okay. Then it helps calms the skin, strong moisture deep into skin layer kasi nga meron siyang maliliit na particles kasi 10 sizes ito. That's the reason why it penetrates even to the hypodermis. So yung layers ng skin natin, epidermis, dermis, and then the hypodermis. Nare-reach niya yun, kaya as it habang na-absorb siya ng skin natin, napapansin nyo na nababanat na siya kagad. Instantly, within like 2 to 3 minutes when it's absorbed na. So isn't that amazing? So how do we use it? We no need to use cotton pads. That's a tip kasi sayang naman yung produkto na maiiwan sa cotton pads. So we can directly put it in our clean hands and then with feather light touches, cleanse the skin upward, paakyat, at hindi pa baba ha kasi syempre it will sag. Kumbaga dapat paakyat siya and dapat tapping lang, very gentle lang, hindi natin siya i-rub para mas maganda ang absorption with the heat of our hands. Kasi syempre yung palms natin meron yung natural heat. Yun yung isa pang nakakatulong to absorb the product more. So, the next step is the ampule naman. So, let's see. Nasaan na ba? Ito. Sa T-zone natin, doon natin i-apply using the ring finger. So, yes, because of the heat, T-zone sa eyes part dito, yun yung mga areas kung saan natin dapat i-apply yung toner. Okay. Infinite Botox pa. GM, dun tayo po sa ampule po ng yan. Infinite Vida Booster Ampule has niacinamide 2, adenosine, Madeca complex, ceramide, and 10 types of hyaluronic acid din. So ito, mas thicker lang siya kasi serum-based, serum na siya. So yung consistency niya in comparison to the toner is mas thicker. Pero same effect din, kumbaga mas hydrated ang skin, mas mas supple. It makes our skin supple. Okay, whitening, it strengthens the skin barrier. Okay, it strengthens the weakened skin, especially dun sa mga damaged skin na nasira na ng sun, nasira na ng too much use of acid or harsh chemicals sa mukha. So this one can help rejuvenate and heal the weakened skin barrier. It smoothens skin surface and it delivers moisture deep into skin layers. And the next one is ito, pwede din itong Infinite Botox Serum dun sa mga areas naman na kung saan alam nyo na gustong-gusto ninyo na alam nyo yung kailangan na ma-lift, like yung sa may wrinkle part, sa may crow's feet, dito sa parte sa side ng ating mga mata, which is dun malagi may lines, especially when we smile. Ito yung mga hollow areas kung saan magandang ilagyan ng Infinite Botox Serum kasi that's concentrated. And this one naman, the Infinite Glow Vitamin C Serum can help to brighten the skin and to remove the pigmentations. So, anong slide na po ito? Slide, okay. How to use it? Drop 2 to 3 drops of serum between your hands to warm the serum. Dab onto skin and spread it upward circular motion. So don't rub it para hindi ma-damage ang ating skin. And press the serum into your face and neck in gentle sweeping motion. So tap-tap lang. And until the serum has been absorbed completely. And we can also use this sa entire face natin and neck area as well as sa nape. So this is an alternative sa Vida Ampule, the Infinite Glow and the Infinite Botox. So the fourth step naman sa Infinite Glow, sa Infinite Vida skincare set natin is the Vita Cream. That also has niacinamide, adenosine, madeca complex, allantoin, and whitewood ear mushroom. Meron naman tong 4 types of hyaluronic at saka glutathione. So this can help our skin to rejuvenate and to, yun pa rin, to protect our skin barrier, to make it stronger. Tapos meron siyang glutathione to make it whiter and brighter. So Glow Vita Cream uses Vida's special formula to balance healthy skin oil and moisture levels, creating healthy, moisturized, and vitalized skin condition. Ito yung glow na hindi oily. Kumbaga, that's one of the benefits of using Vita Cream. So next slide, please. Benefits: vibrant skin, healthy oil and moisture level, smoothen rough skin surface, and restore skin balance, healthy skin vitality. So, yun yung effect ng ating Vita Cream, Vida Vita Cream. And the last step naman is, of course, we should not forget to put the sun serum. This one is a 3-in-1 product. Okay, this one has a multi-protection, soft and smoothing skin. It makes our skin smooth and soft. At saka, meron tong protection na, syempre, sa sunscreen, this is SPF 50 plus PA5 plus. Meron din tong tone correction. So even if it's just one color, it can matches or it's advisable or it's applicable to all skin types. Kasi kumbaga nag-adjust yung color niya. And also yung light coverage niya, maganda rin sa skin kasi it gives our skin the glowy finish, yung dewy Korean finish ng skin kapag ka naglagay kayo ng sunscreen. So this is important na wag natin kalimutan ang sun serum, especially when we use products that has AHA and BHA, may mga konting acid. So benefits: it brightens the skin tone with natural finish, clear skin without blemishes, B3 types of collagen plus anti-aging ingredients, adenosine, strong antioxidant glutathione, whitening niacinamide, and 5-jewel powder. So yun yung mga content niya that makes our skin dewy and glowy, but not oily, ha. Kumbaga, it makes our skin fresh and supple. So para na tayong naka-makeup. How to use? Use the 2-finger rule, squeezing a stripe of sunscreen from the tip to the base of your index and middle finger. Spread the product first on your T-zone and cheek area. Then spread it evenly using dab motions. Allow the sunscreen to dry for a few minutes before applying makeup, as it needs the time to form a protective barrier. So we need to make sure that it's absorbed, na natuyo siya. Hindi yung basa-basa pa, magme-makeup na tayo. So mas maganda na patuyuin muna ng kaunti. Parang magiging primer siya. Yung base sa makeup base. So, and of course, we also have the Infinite White Body Lotion naman to protect our bodies, our skin. Kumbaga ang body natin. Yan, that has vitamin C, AHA, niacinamide to make it supple rin for hydration, to make it hydrated at saka protected sa sun. So kahit exposed tayo buong araw sa araw, meron tayong protection. So importante po na hindi lang mukha ang ating alagaan, kundi syempre ito at ang ating body pa rin, put sunscreen. How to use it? Help achieve a flawless coverage. What are the benefits? Help achieve a flawless coverage. Helps lighten the skin. It helps prevent the signs of aging and helps protect the skin from UVA and UVB rays. Kasi nga may SPF 30 po siya. So, Lalo na po ngayong summer, we need to use this. Importante na meron tayo laging sun protection. Next slide, please. How to use it? Body cream, parang lotion lang, regular lotion lang. Pero maganda siya when the skin is still damp para mas maganda ang absorption. So, get generous amount from the tub and spread evenly on your body. Ilang pumps lang po yan and then it will cover your entire body na, yung arms nyo, saka yung inyong extremities. So, best use at night. Always follow up with sunscreen during the day to protect from sun sensitivity caused by exfoliation. Mhm. Okay. So, and this one is one of my favorite product ng Infinite White Plus Gluta po. So, benefits po nito, antioxidant support, may glutathione kasi siya, NAC, vitamin C, and ALA. They are very potent antioxidant that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. This can protect cells from oxidative stress and damage, which is associated with aging and various diseases. Detoxification too, glutathione and NAC are important for detoxifying the body by helping to remove toxins and heavy metals. They support the liver, which is the primary organ responsible for detoxification, and also kidneys. Joint health, collagen is also beneficial for joint health. It provides structural support to joints, tendons, and ligaments, potentially reducing joint pain and stiffness. And it also helps with the immune function because glutathione and vitamin C play crucial roles in supporting the immune system. They help in the production and function of white blood cells, which are essentials for fighting off infection and diseases. And if I may add po, N-acetylcysteine, yung NAC po, is those people who have respiratory disorders or yung may asthma or COPD, that's very good po. That it can help our lungs to, yung mucus natin natitin niya, napapalabnaw niya, kaya mas maganda ang pag-expel. So NAC is also good for mental health sa brain natin. So yan lang, i-add ko lang na maganda siya sa ating respiratory. So hindi na natin kailangan bumili pa ng vitamin C kasi kasama na siya sa content ng glutathione natin. May vitamin C na rin siya. So, okay, then 40, yeah. How to use it? Just take one capsule once a day after meals. Preferably when you're fasted, kapag wala pa pong laman ang ating stomach, para pong mas maganda ang absorption ng glutathione. So, use the product, have an inventory of, these are the tips that we need to do para po sa, to support our business and these are the things that we need to do. Use the products, have an inventory of products, be of service. So these are what we are doing sa ating group. So, syempre, we are the product of our product. So, kailangan gamitin natin ito para mapatunayan natin sa kanila how effective it is, lahat ng produkto ng Infinite. And the next slide, please. Infinite Barley. Okay. Infinite Barley, the benefits, GM, can you please zoom in? Okay. Infinite Barley. This one is pure Infinite Barley. So, hindi siya makati sa lalamunan when you drink it. Kasi high quality siya. So what are the benefits? It detoxifies the body. It helps eliminate toxins from the liver, colon, and bloodstream, cleansing the body naturally. And it also boosts immunity because it is rich in vitamin A, C, and E. It improves digestion, controls blood sugar level, aids in weight loss, promotes healthy heart, enhances skin health, and increases our energy. Improves mental clarity. So ito lang po yung ilan sa benefits nitong barley. So when we take it every day, yun yung mga benefits niya. How to use it? Water, we need to mix it with 100 to 200 ml of cold or room temperature water. Pwede rin siya sa soy milk or juice. And then we'll just shake it vigorously para walang lumps. Tapos we can also add ice cubes for a colder, more refreshing drink. Or pwede rin naman siyang warm. Pero wag masyadong mainit kasi mapapatay nga yung yung benefits kumbaga ng content ng barley. Or even microwaving briefly for a hot beverage, but cold is often preferred for enzymes. So, yan. This is good also for diabetics kasi hindi siya mataas it can help with the insulin level. Similar to the Robustus, which is, nasa na po yung Robustus natin, GM. The Infinite Robustus Coffee. Okay. Wala pa? Infinite Robustus Coffee natin.
Yun, same lang naman sila ng benefits eh. So, hindi ko...
Okay. So, yun. Yeah, same po. Bago lang po kasi yung Infinite Robustus, but that's included in our Infinite product list. So, the coffee has barley. So, yun. And stevia. So, it's good for those who have diabetes. Let's go to Alamo. Alamo Skincare. So, Alamo. Alamo is a premium skincare brand made from Korea that merges advanced Korean beauty science with a luxury lifestyle focused even at an affordable price point. Positioned as the next generation of skincare, it emphasizes science-backed results for users seeking a visible, long-lasting glow. Alamo and the principal surrounding the brand believe that true luxury isn't defined by a price tag, but by the integrity of the formula. We've bridged the gap between clinical biotech and botanical prestige, ensuring that the world's most, next slide please. Okay, the Olamar standard, affordable luxury. Every Olamar product is a triple solution formula skincare product line. By performing 3 distinct roles, a single bottle of Olamar product replaces your entire traditional routine, bringing you affordable luxury skincare. So bawat product po natin has 3 functions or three jobs that's the reason why it can replace the 12-step skincare system. So the first one, the facial essence, is the preparation. Okay po. Next slide. Facial essence is the preparation. The first of its job is advanced toner. So it preps our skin. Para bang yung skin natin are like soil na i-hydrate mo para yung next skincare na i-apply mo doon, mas maganda yung absorption. So, it balances pH and refines skin texture using damask rose, water, and witch hazel to create a receptive base. Job number 2 naman is renewal serum because it has EGF. Okay. Yes, yan po. Features plant-based epidermal growth factor to signal rapid cell turnover and repair the skin barrier. So EGF po is like a peptide na. It signals our sirtuins, yun yung ating maintenance crew na kumbaga pag bata pa tayo, madami pa tayo noon sa katawan. Pero as we age, wala na yung healing yung healing capacity ng body natin to heal itself when we have. Kaya in comparison sa mga baby, 'di ba, ang bilis nila mag-heal, it's because of the EGF. Marami pang EGF yung mga bata. So as we grow older, as we age, nauubos ito. So this the Olamar Essence can replenish it. Job number 3 naman, collagen and volume booster. It infuses hydrolyzed collagen and volufiline to provide an immediate liquid filler plumping effect from the very first step. So this is like a topical filler. So we can use this as an alternative sa fillers na ini-inject. So without the pain, or we can have our skin maka-recover at mag-produce ng bagong collagen to make our skin plumper. Yun. So, facial essence. Quintessence ampule is the second step. It is for the repair naman. Job number 1, intensive DNA repair, because it's powered by 10,000 ppm PDRN from Japan to heal micro damage and thicken the dermal layer at a foundational level. Job number 2, clinical brightening treatment. It utilizes niacinamide and 12 times plant extract to aggressively target hyperpigmentation and inflammaging redness. Job number 3, longevity booster, acts as a cellular sirtuin activator, slowing down the biological aging process to maintain youthful skin bounce. So, next slide, please. The third one is the Corps la Creme. Okay, the structure. Job number 1, barrier moisturizer. It uses ceramide, NP, and shea butter to seal in moisture and provide 24-hour hydration. Job number 2, to topical lipid filler, because it's combined with volufiline and copper tripeptide 1 to physically plump hollow areas and firm the skin's structural scaffold. So this is used para dun sa mga sunken part ng ating face, especially sa may eye area. This is visible kagad kapag ka dun nilagay. Job number 3, environmental antioxidant shield. It infused with alpine edelweiss stem cell. It acts as a biological filter against pollution and collagen-degrading enzymes. So, and makikita nyo sa lower left part ng screen, meron din siyang FDA registration number. So this is the assurance na tayo ay FDA registered. All these products. So the fourth one naman is the Prime Renew BB Cream, the Shield. Job number 1 is broad spectrum protector. It provides SPF 50, PA+++, physical mineral defense against both UVA and UVB rays. Job number 2, breathable foundation. Offers full lightweight coverage that adapts to skin tones, blurring blemishes without clogging pores. So similar sa Vida sunscreen, but this one, we need to put in the fridge kasi it has live agents. Meron siyang live and fresh ingredients. Job number 3, peptide therapy serum. While you wear it, copper tripeptide 1 and bifida ferment actively treat wrinkles and repair DNA damage. Wow, that's nice kasi kahit na suot-suot natin siya, hindi lang siya sun protection. Kumbaga serum din siya that heals our skin. So that's a plus point. Next slide, please. Okay. Let's elaborate naman and tingnan natin kung ano pa yung mga ingredients ng facial essence. A powerhouse 3-in-1 hybrid toner essence, renewal serum, and volume booster formulated to tone the skin and give it a healthy plump glow. So, GM, next slide. Ito yung hero ingredients ng essence natin. The plant-based EGF or epidermal growth factor. It is a polypeptide that acts as a molecular switch. It signals the skin to speed up cell turnover and repair the barrier. Unlike synthetic versions, this is plant-based. EGF offers high biocompatibility for sensitive skin. What does it mean? Biocompatible siya sa skin natin kasi it's already present in our skin. Nauubos lang yan as we age. So, dahil biocompatible siya, our skin pulls it down even more. Mas maganda ang absorption. While volufiline naman is known as a topical lipofilling. It promotes lipid storage and adipocytes or yung fat cells, leading to a visible plumping effect in areas prone to sagging or hollowness like the cheek and under eyes. So para tong topical fillers na without the pricking. Hydrolyzed collagen and idebenone. Hydrolyzed collagen provides immediate structural support, while idebenone a powerful topical antioxidant. It neutralizes free radicals 4 times more effective than vitamin C. So, napakaliit ng molecular weight nito, masyadong magaan, kaya nagpe-penetrate yun even sa ating ating fat, subcutaneous fat. So, yes, next slide, please. The synergy mechanism, the lift and fill strategy. While EGF handles the surface, volufiline and collagen addresses a structural loss of volume, creating a 3D rejuvenation effect. So kaya mas mabilis bumata yung skin because yung combination ng EGF at volufiline content niya. Next one. Okay, global beauty market positioning, market trend. Consumers are moving away from harsh acids and towards bioidentical ingredients like EGF and volufiline. This is true because ngayon po, very popular ang mga peptides. And it's a good thing that ang ating, the owner, the CEO of Infinite has kumbaga, they formulated a skincare na nasa trend. Kumbaga, yung high-end ingredients nandito na sa Olamo product natin. Data support, the global EGF market is projected to grow at a CAGR of 7.2%, driven by the demand for rapid wound healing and anti-aging. Products containing volufiline have seen a 25% increase in viral search interest as users seek glass skin with actual volume. So, instant volume nasasapol yung skin. Positioning. This is a bridge luxury product offering clinical concentrations typically found in medical spas but packaged for a premium daily ritual. So, as a spa owner, actually, swerte yung mga merong skincare na to kasi at the benefit of kumbaga in the comfort of their own home, they can have access na to treatments that are being offered lang sa mga high-end spas. So next slide, please. Olamore Quintessence Ampule, a premium high-potency recovery booster, PDRN with 10,000 ppm concentration that acts as a bridge between scientific regenerative medicine and luxury skincare. It is designed for deep cellular repair and visible skin transformation. So next slide. Yes, the hero here is a PDRN. So ang taas nun, 10,000 ppm sodium DNA. Sourced from Japan, this bioactive compound mimics human DNA to trigger deep cellular regeneration. It is a skin healer that boosts collagen and elastin synthesis. That alpine edelweiss stem cell, a survivalist plant extract with antioxidant power 2 times greater than vitamin C, it clinically improves skin density and provides a visible lifting effect. So, iyon yung ingredients that can help with blue light, lalo na dun sa mga tao na mahilig mag-cellphone. So, this is protection. Ito yung ingredients that can help with that to protect our skin with blue light. 12 times plant-based essential extract. A synergistic blend including Centella asiatica, green tea, and propolis to soothe, protect, and nourish. So, ito yung mga ingredients ng ating Quintessence Ampule. Next slide. Okay, the sirtuin connection. Unlike standard serum, Olamo Quintessence Ampule activates sirtuins, which is the longevity proteins. It is the one that reverses cellular senescence and protects against environmental stress like UV and blue light. Regenerative pathway. It works at the foundational level by inhibiting MMP1 or yun yung collagen breaking enzymes and stimulating type 1 collagen production. So, next slide. Global beauty market. The Olamore Quintessence Ampule sits in the dermocosmetic premium segment. For 2025 to 2026, the market is shifting towards skin management, where consumers seek at-home product that delivers results similar to professional microneedling or glass skin injection. With a CAGR of 10.5% in the stem cell beauty market, this product is perfectly timed to capture the longevity and biohacking beauty trends. So if I might add po, yung microneedling is when we use microneedles na ito po yung MTS system, microneedling technology system para ma-infuse yung mga serum or anything that we want to put para mas mabilis ma-absorb ng skin. So yun din po yan, glass skin injection. So without the pain, with using all of this product, yun na rin yung same benefit niya without the harsh microneedling process. So that's a good point po. On the Olamo Corla Creme. So the ultimate skin architecture solution, a medical grade luxury moisturizer that integrates regenerative biotechnology into a daily cream. Ang hero ingredients naman niya, GM, next slide, is the PDRN from Japan and plant-based EGF, alpine edelweiss, complementary actives. Meron din siyang bakuchiol at copper tripeptide. So those are peptides na kaya It is easily absorbed by the skin and by the body. Idebenone po is an antioxidant as well as bakuchiol. So it neutralizes free radicals. And then dermatological mechanism, biomimetic repair. Corlacrem uses bioidentical signaling molecules, e.g., because of the EGF and PDRN, to talk to skin cells. It's instructing them to produce more collagen and elastin naturally. Barrier fortification. Infused with ceramide, NP, and shea butter to seal inactive ingredients and prevent transepidermal water loss. So, it has shea butter, kaya po, we have to make sure na yung atin pong mga pagpe-presentan doesn't have any allergy sa shea butter kasi they might have a bad reaction kapag ka po, kaya isa yun sa kailangan nating itanong because it has shea butter. Meron po kasi may mga allergic reaction sa shea butter eh. So, you need to point that out. Next slide. Global beauty market positioning. Corlacrem occupies the biotech luxury space, targeting a sophisticated demographic that demands both scientific proof and sensorial luxury. Yeah, ang ating pong product is high-end. Parang ito na yung mga ino-offer sa Bello Ivy Clinic na yan. So, yeah. Olamo Primary BB Cream, hybrid anti-aging serum that delivers a premium tinted sunscreen result. It bridges the gap between high-performance sun protection and clinical anti-aging therapy. So may SPF 50 PA++ siya, tinted sunscreen serum. It is full, breathable coverage that actively treats the skin with peptides and ferments while shielding it from UV damage. It is for all skin types, including sensitive and post-procedure skin. So even yung mga newly treated, like yung mga bagong peel or bagong microneedled, bagong pwede yun sa kanila. Pwede ito post-procedure skin regimen. So, next slide. Copper tripeptide 1. A clinical grade peptide that promotes collagen and elastin production, effectively treating wrinkles while the product is worn. The bifidaferment lysate naman is a probiotic powerhouse that repairs DNA damage from UV exposure and strengthens the skin microbiome. Niacinamide and arbutin duo, a synergistic brightening engine that inhibits melanin production to fade dark spots and even out skin tone. So may titanium dioxide din siya and zinc oxide, physical mineral blockers that provide broad spectrum protection without the chemical irritation often found in high SPF product. So very mild po in comparison with the usual product that we can see over the counter. Baga sa mga pharmacy. Next slide. Dermatological mechanisms. It reflects UVA, UVB rays and provides a blurring optical effect to hide blemishes. So ito po yung isa sa effect ng BB cream. Kumbaga, po siya na may blurring effect siya na suitable po sa any skin color and skin type. Dermis, copper peptides and adenosine trigger cellular renewal to reduce the depth of fine lines. So may serum na rin po siya, kaya hindi lang siya sunscreen, it's 3-in-1, kumbaga 3 functions in one product. Napapalitan niya yung 12 skincare system. It shortens it into 4 products lang. Okay. The trend, okay. Consumers no longer want just foundation. They want products that work as hard as their serum. Data support the tinted sunscreen market is projected to grow significantly as dermatologists increasingly recommend tinted mineral blocks to prevent melasma and HEV para sa blue light damage. Most BB cream omit peptides like copper tripeptide 1, including this allows Olamo to market as a clinical BB, making it a staple in medical spas and premium boutiques. So hindi na po masyadong advisable yung mga heavy makeups. This can be an alternative sa mga foundation po at mga heavy concealers. Because nakakahinga yung skin natin. Unlike kapag yung heavy makeup mo na nakakaklag ng pores. So, yan. Okay. To maximize the clinical level anti-aging mechanisms of the Olamo line, the products are designed to be layered from the thinnest to thickest molecular weight. So ito po yung sinasabi ko kanina na from the thinnest to the thickest, kumbaga from the toner to the thickest one, which is the cream. This ensures that the PDRN, EGF, and volufiline reaches the target skin layer without interference. So the first one po, ito po yung nare-reach ng ating essence. The second one naman po is sa ating ampule. Third one is cream, and the fourth one is yung sa sunscreen as a protection, a shield. That's the epidermis, yung fourth one po. Number 4 is epidermis. Third, number 3 is the dermis, hypodermis, at saka ito na po yung subcutaneous fat, yung part, yung number 1. So even dun sa adipose tissue natin, yung fats kung saan nagpo-produce ng collagen, nare-reach yun ng product natin. And that's amazing kasi doon pa lang, nalilift na, nagkakaroon na siya ng instant lifting kasi na-absorb na siya ng skin natin kahit dun sa fatty layer ng skin. That's the reason why nagpa-plump siya instantly. So, facial essence. So, ito nga po yun. Ito po yung the preparation. Dito siya nagpe-penetrate, na-absorb po siya even sa ating yung fatty layers ng skin. Okay. Quintessence ampule, the repair, it delivers high concentration. Yung 10,000 ppm PDR na yun, ano yun, ang equivalent po nun is 10 bottles of regular PDRN product in the market. So that's a very powerful, sa isang bote po na yun, napakadami po nung content na yun. Sulit na sulit. Corla Creme. Corla Creme naman, next slide, JM. The structure, it seals in, so ito na po yung part ng ating epidermis. Nandun po siya. It seals and actives with stem cell, creates volume with volufiline. So nagkakaroon po siya ng instant plumpness. Parang nasi-stitch niya. It's like a liquid stitch na nako-correct niya yung mga loosen na part ng ating skin. Kaya plump siya at saka mas mas glowy at saka mas hydrated. Primer ng BB cream. So ito po yung part ng epidermis, yun yung nasa first layer ng skin natin. The shield, daytime only. It provides SPF 50 protection and a breathable clinical tint. So 3-in-1 function. Serum that nourishes our skin as well as protecting it from the sun damage. Okay, ang morning routines naman po natin, the Luminous Shield. Pwede po natin umpisahan with a prep with facial essence. So yun nga po, in-explain natin kanina using, you can use a cotton pad or not. Wipe across the face, removes overnight debris, and provides a first hit of hydrolyzed collagen. Then second with the Quintessence ampule, tapos yung pong Corla Cream. And then of course, sa umaga, wag po natin kakalimutan to protect with the Prime Renew BB Cream. Sa gabi naman po, yun pa rin. Kailangan po natin ng facial essence after cleansing our face and then a Quintessence ampule. Kahit po 2 to 3 drops yan is enough na kasi very spreadable siya. So hindi naman natin siya gustong sobrang oily pero ano na siya, that's enough na. Rebuild with Corla Cream, yun po yung pinaka-last step para sa gabi na usage. And also don't forget po na the Quintessence ampule and the primary new BB cream needs to be refrigerated kasi it has live and fresh active ingredients. So after opening, kailangan natin po to make sure na ito ay nasa malamig na lalagyan. So preferably sa chiller na fridge natin to maintain potency. Next step po. Next slide. Okay, top 3 consumer objections and data back rebuttal. Price versus value. So ito po yung laging pinag-uusapan, price versus value. The Alamo reality naman po, overpriced, it's not overpriced kasi alam niyo, sulit na sulit siya sa apat na products in comparison sa 12 steps. So this is like shortening your skincare routine from 45 minutes to just 3 to 5 minutes. So perfect for busy moms and busy people. Okay, standard products often use marketing levels of actives. Olama provides 10,000 ppm PDRN, a clinical grade concentration typically reserved for medical injectables, delivering professional result in a daily bottle. So, efficacy of topicals. The skeptics view PDRN and EGF are too large to penetrate the skin. They only work when injected. So, bioavailable engineering, Olamo uses sodium DNA and EGF formulated with advanced delivery system to penetrate the dermal layer. The refrigeration policy further ensures these delicate proteins remain stable and potent. So, hindi po totoo na sa injection lang pwede yung PDRN. So now, because we have the latest medical findings, medical research na produkto, ito po yun, hinahain na sa atin. In the convenience of our home, we can get that treatment, spa-like treatment sa bahay natin. The skeptic view, plant stem cells are just borrowed, GM, di ko mabasa. Plant stem are just a buzzword. They aren't live cells. Okay. The Olamar reality data back. Scientific resilience. We use alpine edelweiss callus culture extract, which contains high concentrations of leontopodic acids. Clinical data shows these botanical extracts provide 2 times the antioxidant power of vitamin C and effectively inhibit collagen-degrading enzymes. So, yun po siya. Hindi po porke plant stem cells is kumbaga walang effect. Because this one has live cells, kaya nga po kailangan natin siya i-refrigerate to maintain its potency. Okay. Skincare market insights. To empower our wholesale, the salmon DNA PDRN craze. The fact, PDRN or polydeoxyribonucleotide is often called the secret of the stars in Korea. It was originally used in medicine to heal scars and regenerate tendons before it became a skincare gold standard. So the quintessence ampule uses PDRN from Japan, known for the highest purity standards in the world. It's essentially liquid gold for skin healing. Kaya sa Japan pala galing ang ating salmon DNA because high quality doon. The medicalization of beauty trend. Consumers are moving away from fluff skincare towards thermal cosmetics. They want products that look like they belong in a doctor's office. True. Olamo fits a clinical chic aesthetic. The requirement for refrigeration for the quintessence ampule and BB cream proves the ingredients are alive and potent, not just shelf-stable chemicals. Kasi po yung mga shelf-stable chemicals or shelf-stable skincare products, marami po yung preservatives. Unlike this one, alam natin na fresh siya at saka alive. Kaya nga po kailangan natin i-refrigerate siya. So, yun yung isa sa pro ng Olamo product. And then the next one po, GM, yung nasa tabi, the glass skin versus cloud skin trend. While glass skin or the dewy skin was the old goal, 2024-2025 is about cloud skin. Skin that looks bouncy, blurred, and lit from within. So the Primer New BB Cream is a perfect tool for this. Provides the blur of a filter while the copper tripeptides work underneath to create actual biological bounds. So hindi na po pala uso ang dewy skin. Ngayon ay cloud skin na. And that's what we get when we use the Primer New BB Cream. The survivalist flower. The alpine edelweiss in Corla creme grows in extreme altitudes under intense UV radiation and freezing temperatures. It produces its own leontopodic acid to survive. This is a resilience in a jar. If this plant can survive the Swiss Alps, its stem cells can protect your skin from the harsh heat, pollution, and UV rays. That makes sense. Okay, the fact there is a growing anti-filler movement where people want volume without needles. Ako din, gusto ko din yun. Volufiline in the Essence Cream is a topical lipid filler. Highlight that it is derived from the Anemarina asphodeloid root and is clinically studied to increase the volume of fatty tissue in the skin, literally filling hollow areas naturally. So we all want that, na wala ng tusok-tusok. Ano na? Pero plump. The blue light defense market. Most people don't realize that screen aging from the laptops and the phones that we use penetrates deeper into the skin than UV rays. Okay, the Quintessence Ampule and BB Cream are digital shields. The PDRN and SPF 50 PA+++ rating specifically combat the oxidative stress caused by 8+ hours of screen time. So very, very advisable for those who are working from home. Ito po ang ating BB cream. Why made in Korea? South Korea spends more on skincare R&D per capita than any other nation. Being ISO certified in Korea isn't just a label. It's a guarantee of skin architecture. Wholesalers should emphasize that Olamo combines Korean innovation with Japanese raw materials, a power duo of Asian beauty science. So that's true po, hindi po ganun kadali na makapasa sa mga certifications, lalo na pagka galing ito sa Korea. So we are so lucky that we have Olamo and Vida na ISO certified. And the skin longevity narrative. Anti-aging is out. Longevity is in. Consumers want to prolong their skin's health span. The term skin architecture for Olamo doesn't just hide wrinkles. It rebuilds a scaffold, the foundation. This appeals to younger Gen Z, millennials doing prejuvenation, and older clients doing restoration. So para nga naman po hindi ma-damage, as prophylaxis, we can use this. Lalo na yung mga bata. Yung mga bata pa, mga 18, mga teenagers and late teens. So, skip care efficiency. The trend, consumers are tired of 10-step routines. They want multi-hyphenate products. It's true. Each Olamar product has 3 jobs. The facial essence is a toner, plus serum, plus collagen booster. The BB cream is a sunscreen, plus foundation, plus peptide treatment. This justifies at premium price, it is high efficiency luxury. So, hindi talagang sulit po siya. Kasi, ang bilis mo nang gamitin, hindi pag nakaklog yung skin mo sa madaming produkto na patong-patong. GM, it's you. So, yun po ang ating If I may add po doon, if you guys are using or if you are going to use Olamo products, kailangan po na muna natin mag-skin fast using yung mga harsh chemicals kasi it neutralizes po yung effect ng ingredients ng Olamo. So, lalo na po yung pure vitamin C, we need to skip that or kung pwede, wag nyo nang gamitin yung mga harsh chemicals. Okay.
Alright. Yun na yung end ng slide. So, sa mga anything to add, Ma'am Tinay?
Yes po.
Saka,
yes, GM. Baka
pwede sila yung sa yung sa Quintessence yata, meron kang na sabi doon.
Quintessence.
Quintessence. Pagka nag-PDRN, wag na mag-serum ng may vitamin C. Tama, no? Highlight lang natin yun.
NAC maganap yan.
Oo. So, para hindi na kasi masasayang yung PDRN.
Pakukontra niya ba? Ganon.
Yun.
But if you have any questions for, if there's someone who wants to add information, you can do so. Anong oras natin ba? GM.
10:44. So, 2 minutes, no? Pwede kayo magtanong for 2 minutes. Kung nahihiya kayo, pwede nyong i-chat sa chat box.
Oh, if I may add, GM, about the skin purging, since masyadong,
Mm.
di ba, i-add lang po natin yung skin purging. This is, lalo na po dun sa mga tao na gumagamit ng harsh chemicals. Kapag po gumamit ng Olamom, there's a tendency na mag-skin purge. Kasi syempre, nadidetoxify ng Olamo yung skin natin. Kaya po, since ito ay very tiny molecules ang content niya, mabilis mag-penetrate sa skin natin, kaya mas mabilis din mag-react ang skin natin sa product. In a good way, kapag wala kang masyadong pinaglalagay sa face. Pero kapag po halimbawa na sanay po tayo na naggumagamit ng harsh chemicals, we need to fast muna from those, refrain from using harsh chemicals kasi magkakaroon po ng skin purging.
So
Definitely.
mga tanong ko, Tinay, kung halimbawa, gumagamit ako ng mga nabibili sa TikTok, yan.
Opo.
So, mga ilang days ko i-stop bago ko mag-start nung Olamore o nung Vida natin?
Alam mo, GM, mas maganda siya ng at least 7 days to 2
Papastop, no?
weeks.
So, maganda
Yes.
tanong, yung mga kliyente natin, tanungin natin kung ano yung product na ginagamit
So,
nila right now, currently using.
Yes po.
And then kung mga chemical peeling ang gamit, kailangan 7 days maximum.
Yes po, pahinga din maka-recover yung skin barrier.
Mare-recover muna. Okay.
So, and there's also a very big difference between skin purging and bad reactions. Kasi yung bad reaction, yun yung that comes from the allergic reaction kung may sensitivity tayo dun sa ingredients. Pero kung ang skin purging naman, it happens when an ingredient speeds up your skin's cell turnover.
Okay.
So, kumbaga, yung pre-existing clogs na ililift niya kagad. So, normally, nag-a-appear ang skin purging dun sa mga areas kung saan nagbe-breakout. Yung normal areas kung saan nagkakaroon ng acne. Pero kapag ka-bad reaction, all over kung saan nilagyan. So, yun yung difference niya.
Okay. Anong difference pag nagpo-purging sa kapag yung allergy na pala? Anong itsura nun?
Ano po, yung skin purging usually para siyang whiteheads na small whitehead or flesh-colored bumps. Parang, yun, makita siya. Tapos, ang duration na naman, typically last 4 to 6 weeks, one full skin cycle yun.
So, tuloy lang yung gamit ng product pag nag-purging?
Yes. Kailangan mo lang natin siya ma-purge out.
Para hindi matakot yung mga members
Yes,
natin. Yung mga
just in case lang po that you will have that reaction, don't be scared. Just continue the product and you will reap the rewards after 2 weeks naman. Makikita nyo na na-recovered yung skin nyo. Na, your skin barriers are strengthened. Kumbaga, pag bad reaction po, yun usually kapag ka nai-irritate siya because of allergic reaction.
Ano itsura nun pag allergic?
Di ba usually GM ang ating T-zone kung saan usually ka nagkaka-pimple? Doon yung skin purging, doon lumalabas.
Okay.
Pero ito, kung saan mo in-apply, kahit dun sa ibang area na hindi naman galing nagkaka-pimple or hindi naman nagbe-breakouts, pati yun meron.
So yun na i-watch out, no?
Anong appearance no? Red, itchy, stinging tiny sandpaper bumps. Yun yung allergic reaction. In comparison dun sa parang
whitehead, pagka-purging, whiteheads. Okay.
Oo, yun po yun.
Pagka-allergic, mapula-pula.
Yes po.
Tapos mahapdi. O yan guys ha.
Update.
Take note, no? Kasi baka nervyusin ka kaagad, no? Mag-quit ka kaagad.
Kasi alam mo po, GM, itong product natin, easily, kumbaga, bioactive nga siya. Ang bilis na mag-penetrate sa skin, kaya ang bilis din ng result. Instantly. That's the reason why mabilis din ang reaction.
Yun. So guys, sino na ba yung gusto ko malaman dito sa mga audience natin ngayon na nanonood, sino na yung mga nakasubok ng Olamore? No, sobrang ganda. Kita nyo naman, no, yung face ko. Bare face yan, guys.
Parang ang nainggit naman ako sa'yo. Parang, Igaganda pa ba tong skin ko dyan?
Meron. Sobrang ganda. Meron ako nakita dito, piniflex yung balat niya. Ayan, si Ma'am Karina. Parang inuulam niya talaga yung
Oo
oil.
nga, si Tita Karina, ang ganda-ganda ng skin.
Ayan,
Sana all. Yan. Thank you po, sobrang ganda.
may nag-comment. Si Ma'am
Pero
Clary. Ayan.
nakaano ba ako? Narinig niyo
Wow,
ako?
ganda naman nun.
Ayan,
Sino ba
ano
yun?
yan, Ma'am Karina? Ano yung sinabi niyo po?
Narinig niyo ako?
Narinig ka namin, yes. Ano yung sinabi niyo po?
Sa totoo lang ngayon, hindi ako nagpa-powder because of
Yeah.
using the Olamore.
Oo,
So,
talaga. Matipid din siya sa makeup, no?
when I met,
GM.
when I met Owie, hindi ako maniwalang hindi siya nagpa-powder. So, naniwala na ako when I'm using the Olamore product na hindi mo, you don't need to use powder
Mhm.
and concealer. Kasi dati, naglalagay ako kahit konting alam mo, kahit
Nakakatipid. Tama yung sinabi ni Nurse Tinay. Kasi yun nga imbis na 12, 'di ba? 12 yung ginagamit mo sa balat mo, nagme-makeup ka pa, nagko-concealer ka pa, kung ano-ano pa nilalagay mo, nagba-blush on ka pa. Ito 4 na lang. Kumbaga trinin down niya yung 12, 'di ba? And take note, imbis na pinapakita mo yung mga skincare na ibang brand, ikaw na kumita, 'di ba? Ito na yung sa negosyo natin, 'di ba?
And then, and also, since I use Olamore, yung Vida Skincare, marami na nagtatanong, lalo na ngayon, mas marami nagtatanong, ang problema, kailangan meron tayong stock.
Yan, darating lang rin yan, magdasal lang po tayo, no?
Yeah, di ba?
Again, we are a startup
Oo
company.
nga.
So,
They kept asking, but the
Mhm.
problem is, kailan available
yun.
yung
Kaya isa sa mga gusto ko rin i-share na strategy ko sa mga nanonood ngayon dito sa training natin na we can do pre-selling or advance purchase para kung dumating, makakuha rin tayo ng advance, di ba? Walang difference yan doon sa mga nag-a-advance sa mga pre-selling ng condo, properties, mga gadgets, mga shoes, 'di ba? So lahat ng mabebenta, lahat ng magandang produkto talagang expect natin mas sold out yan. Nangyari na yan sa Botox, sa brightening, sa sabon natin. Nangyari na yan sa Vida at alam natin nakatikim tayo ng Olamore. So, mangyayari talaga yan, lalo na pag maganda yung produkto at maganda yung mga nagmomodelo nito. Di ba? Kaya kailangan gumamit po kayo.
And
Okay.
also, napansin ko din sa eyes ko,
Mhm.
nag-ano diba?
Parang dito, no? Pagka
Lively.
dito, GM, kahit lagyan mo tong eyelid mo, malilift talaga siya.
Oh,
Diba, Leslie?
yun ang nakita ko rin difference dun sa
Nag-ano
may question.
yung
yung
mata
basic.
mo, nag-tight, nag-ano rin.
Yes.
Tight.
Ang toner,
Ayun, may question
nag-question.
tayo. Okay.
Okay, may nag-question. Ano daw difference ng toner at essence? Yung essence, meron siyang serum. Kaya mas ano siya, mas para bang, alam mo yung parang mas hydrating. Kumbaga, hindi lang siya parang tubig. Parang ganon.
Okay.
Meron kasi siyang serum na, kaya parang mas thicker yung ano niya. Compared sa toner na parang water.
Yung sa Vida toner, no?
Mm-mm.
Saka yung Vida toner,
Para siya ng
120 grams lang. 120 ml lang. Ito, 235. Yung facial essence.
Yung essence kasi,
Marami.
3-in-1 na siya, Miss Opo. Sino to? Miss
Cellphone
Maria
nga tayo.
Teresa Sampana. So, okay, ma'am, yung pong essence po, meron po siyang 3 functions. So, parang, hindi lang po para to hydrate the skin. Meron din na din po siya to make it plump kasi may volufiline po siya. May epidermal, may HGF din po. So, 3 functions na po yung binibigay ng essence in comparison sa toner.
So yung
more
sa
on
toner, hydrating lang, no?
may
Hydration.
konting micropeeling GM.
Pero hindi
ito,
halata.
Hindi halata.
Tama. Alright. Mayroon raw tanong si Ma'am Teresa, si birthday girl. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
From Milan, Italy.
Related. Thank you. Good evening dyan sa
Yeah.
Pilipinas.
Buonasera, signora.
Buonasera, PM. Balik ka na
Sì.
dito.
Ci vediamo. Sì.
Okay. Si Nurse Tinay, I
Yes,
would like
ma'am.
to ask, correct me if I'm wrong, Kasi usually, baliktad yata ang paggamit ko ng glutathione and that's one of my favorite. Ano siya, dapat pala inumin siya, dapat walang laman ang tiyan. Much
Mas
better.
maganda, dito po sa ano natin, sa ating, kasi ang vitamin C content po ng ating gluta with the Infinite, hindi po siya kasing harsh or kasing acidic nung in comparison kung iinom kayo ng individual, di ba po may let's say you have a glutathione capsule, and then as a precursor para po mas ma-activate ang glutathione, kailangan niyo pang samahan ng vitamin C yun.
Vitamin C.
usually. So
Well, I
since
don't know that.
ang atin pong gluta has already an NAC and vitamin C in one, hindi ano na po siya, kumbaga nagko-complement na po siya as a precursor para mas mag-produce pa po mas gumanda pa yung glutathione effect.
So, basta ang intake, much better before, walang laman, before
Mas maganda
breakfast.
pong walang laman. I mean, not unless you're super acidic po, ma'am. Kasi syempre, it depends on your body. Kapag ramdam po ninyo na mabilis po kayong mag-acid, preferably with light meal or after eating. Pero kapag po naman na hindi kayo sobrang sensitive, yung hindi kayo acidic, mas maganda po ang absorption kapag wala pong laman or when you're fasting.
Okay. Additional lang, I am in my menopausal.
Uy,
And one of
mas
my
maganda.
testimony, talagang nakakawala sa aking what do you call that one? Hot flashes. But now, kasi may menopausal ako and then hereditary, I am having alopecia areata. So, nag-bald na ang likod ng head ko. So, what do you advise? Can I take it 3 times a day or just 1? Although I already have a direct medication for my head, but I want it take kasi hindi pa ako binigyan ng doctor. Kasi
Pwede-
mahina dito sa Italy.
Based on, sa akin po kasi 2 capsules per day. Pero since therapeutic yung kailangan ninyo, I think you can use it po ng 3 capsules. Kasi ang importante lang dyan, ma'am, metabolize siya, tsaka pakiramdaman niyo po yung katawan ninyo. If you're too acidic, wag pong sobra. Kasi syempre may vitamin C content na po siya at NAC eh. Pero that's very good po dahil may hormonal changes po kayo. Kasi di ba ano po kayo,
May
menopausal?
hormonal imbalances ako.
May hormonal
Ang
imbalance po kayo.
sakit ko is hereditary. My
Yun po.
aunt has like this. Ngayon lang, within a month, nag-bulb ang likod ko.
Ma'am, try nyo din po yung Infinite Barley natin because it can help with the
Ay,
hormonal.
ang kasi, yung gluta, ever since nakilala ko ang gluta, hindi ako hindi ko tinanggal. Just that, naubusan ako dito sa Italy.
Ayun
Kahapon lang
lang.
dumating.
Naubos.
So, babalikan ko.
Mag-stock
And
ka
I
na,
have
ma'am,
also
kasi
barley.
importante yun. Importante po sa
Yeah. Ang
Oh,
barley po,
God.
ang right, when is the right time to take it?
yun po. In the morning after, kumbaga after waking up and you're still fat.
Yes.
Considering,
okay.
ma'am, that you're not too acidic. Kasi syempre kapag
Yeah,
you're acidic, you need to take something. Yun
If
po.
you
Pero
have
kung
a
hindi,
high
ma'am,
uric acid, that means ba na you're acidic or pag
alam
mataas ang
niyo po
uric
yung
acid mo,
pagka po
iba yun, di ba?
iba pa po yun. Pag po medyo
Okay.
nangangasim po siya, halimbawa po nasubukan nyo na isang beses na you're fasting, tapos
parang
Pero-
burp, no? May something, no? I don't.
pero pag wala po nun, you can take it. And it's mas maganda po ang absorption based on my experience po. Tip ko po sa inyo.
Thank you, ma'am. GM ang aking Olamore para mapakita ko rin ang aking beauty.
Yes.
Pero
Okay.
Kasi kay Vida lang, maganda na talaga din ang Vida.
Nako, mas may enhance. Grabe. Tingnan nyo si Nurse Tinay sa si Ma'am Karina. Yan, no? Yung mga proud mag-camera on, yan yung mga talagang naka-ola mo.
Uy, sobra.
Okay, yung mga naka-camera on. Yung mga hindi, bala kayo.
Pero
Joke
GM lumiliit ng ganito
Bigla
ko.
nag-camera. Nakakaliit nga siya ng pisngi, no? So, iba yung tingin sa akin ni
Nakakaliit.
GM Fatima eh. Pagka napapatitig sa akin kasi nagkala niya nung kami kinasal.
Pero, ma'am, di
Matagal
ba
na yung
dapat
nakapitig
talagang
sa GM.
palift yan?
Nakaganon yun.
Oo.
Parang lumiliit
Parang
yung pisngi, nakakaliit nga. Oo.
Nagkaroon ako bigla.
Nakakaano ng jawline. Maganda, guys.
Uy, meron pa ba po?
Olamore.
Olamore.
Olamore. Okay. Sige. Last na siguro, no? Meron yatang gustong i-add si Ma'am Karina.
Drinking water is important to stay hydrated.
Ito, Guys, may i-add si Ma'am Karina. Unmute natin. Okay.
Hindi, kasi dapat yung iba nagpapakita ng face while we are
Ayun.
in the Zoom meeting. Di ba? Mas okay yun.
Oo.
Para nagkakakilala tayo pag nagkasalubong
Di,
tayo.
baka yung mga naka-off yung cam,
Di ba?
hindi yan gumagamit ng infinite product. Kaya natatakot po
Di ba?
sila.
Mas okay yun. Pinapakita. O,
May
mamaya
si
makasalubong.
si Ma'am Claire, merong feedback
Question.
sa Ma'am Claire ng Athens, Greece. Sabi niya, yung cream sobrang ganda. Bah, nakarating na sa Athens yung
hello everyone.
Olamore creme lock, yung Corla creme natin. Nakarating na ng Athens, Greece. Grabe.
Yes po, waiting for others.
Yeah.
Oo nga.
Excited na po.
So
Kasi,
ngayon ang
So,
ulam mo,
lumiliit na rin yung
wala
pisngi ni
pa sa
Claire.
isang
Ako
Napansin
naman
ko
si GM dito,
Wala
yung
pa
linya
sa
ko, wala naman ako lang, pero
follower.
maganda nga. Dito, oh.
Ayun. May nagtanong, ano yun? Okay na tayo, guys.
Kaya po,
11 p.m. na. So, we need to... Wala nang question.
last name lang po.
Type na, last ano na
Maganda po
tayo.
na yung Black Marco GM.
Thank you, everyone.
Dagdagan mo na rin. Nag-supply.
Nice. Congrats. So, again, maraming salamat, Ma'am Christina Lina.
Thank you
Inay,
po.
thank you for your service at ang dami namin natutunan, no. Guys, marami ba kayo natutunan? Marami ba kayo napulot na aral, no, yung yan kagaya niya. Ako nagulat ako doon, no, kasi mahilig akong magpa-add ng product doon sa mga clients ko eh. So, pati nga yung bag, binibenta ko yun, yung eco bag. Di ba? Dagdagan niyo po yung eco bag, baka mapunit, di ba? 20 pesos lang. Pero kidding aside, no, yung sa PDRN, pag nagpi-PDRN na, no need ng magdagdag ng brightening. So, nabigyan ako ng idea kasi masasayang yung effect ng PDRN baba. Sa pag-acidic, no?
Yes.
So, madidelay siya, so sayang. So, pag nag-PDRN na, no need na serum na may vitamin C. Oo. So, ang naisip ko, yung brightening serum, ibebenta ko, ipahid niya sa katawan niya, wag na sa mukha. Oh, di ba?
Batok, GM, dito.
Sa batok, sa batok na. Wag na padaanin sa sa mukha, sa batok, sa ganun. Sa mga peklat, ayan. Pangkatawan na lang yung brightening serum. Well, anyway, guys, maraming salamat sa mga umattend. Camera on po tayo para po mag-picture po tayo. Make sure naka-on ang camera nyo dahil ito po yung isi-send ko kay Chairman at kay Ma'am Owi. Sasabihin ko ito yung mga may idea na at may deep knowledge na sa Olamore. At malay mo, mauna kang makakuha ng Olamore pagdating. Di ba? Mauna. Sabi ko kay Chairman, ito yung unahin nyo sa pila. Okay, so camera on tayo, guys. Mag-screenshot tayo. Picture, flex nyo yung mga balat nyo, guys. Yan. Tapos, infinite sign na I love you. Yun. All right. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, guys. Maraming salamat sa mga umattend. Thank you, Ma'am Tinay, sa
Thank you
knowledge
po.
na binigay
Maraming
niyo po.
salamat po.
So, i-upload natin to sa YouTube para pwede nyo pong isend sa inyong mga members. Again, this is Arthur Macogay Jr., Mr. Worldwide, Ma'am Tinay. Maraming
Thank you
salamat.
po. Maraming salamat po.
Alright. Infinite, live limitless. One mind, one vision. Anong kasunod? Alright. Bye, guys. God bless.
Bye.